हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम आरिफ अख्तर। सो कल हम लोगों ने देखा था बेसिक डेटा टाइप्स, व्हाट्स द नीड ऑफ डेटा टाइप्स, और आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे अबाउट ऑपरेटर्स, राइट। सो लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। या सो wait a minute. So an operator, first we will understand what is operators, right? So an operator is a symbol that operates on a value to perform a specific mathematical or logical computation, right? And these are the operators in C++. Wait a minute. Yeah, so the first one is arithmetic operator, then relational, then logical, then bitwise, then assignment operator, and ternary, or can say conditional operator. So first we will talking about arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic, so हम लोग जानते हैं क्या क्या होते हैं: प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लाई, divide, right? Divide, and the modulo that gives remainder. Yeah, very important. This is very important. So we will discuss this in details, right? So yeah, these are the operators. So let's say you have written some program, has include all, right? And so let's say this is main function, and wait a minute. Let's say this is integer a. So what does it mean? In memory, at this location, let's say a, so at this location the value gonna store will be, let's say, 2, right? So in memory, this is memory, right? So in the location of a, the value 2 is stored here, right? Yeah, so now I will be taking int b. So this is I have declared b in memory. So this is memory, and this is, let's say, some garbage value initially, and this is b location. Okay, so I have to do some like operator. I will use some operator to perform some addition or subtraction or multiply and division, right? So let's say b is equal to a plus 2. So इस लाइन का मतलब क्या होगा? So जहाँ पे ये मेमोरी में गार्बेज वैल्यू है, राइट? सो बी इज इक्वल टू, अब क्या हो जाएगी, ए प्लस 2. तो ए मेमोरी में जाएगा, ए पे क्या वैल्यू है, 2, राइट? तो यहाँ पे 2 देन प्लस 2 एंड दैट इज 4. सो बी पे, या मेमोरी में बी पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा, 4, ये 4, राइट? सो अब हम लोग इसको यूज़ करेंगे, लेट्स से सी आउट बी. सो हम लोग को क्या प्रिंट होगा, हियर 4. सो हम लोग को प्रिंट होगा 4, राइट? सो दिस इज सिंपल एडिशन ऑपरेटर. Right, and similarly, as you can take subtraction also, like integer. Let me change my integer. Let's say c is equal to let's say b minus a. So b में भी currently value क्या स्टोर है, 4, right? So 4, and a में currently value क्या स्टोर है मेमोरी में, 2. So 2, so that will be equal to 2, right? So this is very simple, right? So okay, and let's say this is the example of subtraction, and let's say integer d is equal to suppose हम लोग को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, so 2 into के लिए मैं स्टार यूज़ करते, राइट? 2 into 3, that will be equal to 6. so हम लोग को ये नहीं लिखना, राइट? Yeah, so if I will see out b, so it will give 6. It will give 6, right? So this is multiplication. Now taking example of division, right? So यहाँ ये बहुत important है, ध्यान से देखना, right? So let's say integer div. So div is equal to, let's say, 5 divided by 5. So we know when 5 divided by 5, so that is equal to 1, right? We know. So in memory allocation div, I will store 1, right? And what if integer div2 is equal to, let's say, 10 divided by 3, then what will it store in the div2, right? So you might be thinking that is 3.33 something around, right? So no, so integer part is what? 3. So this is div2 is integer, right? Int. So the integer part of this whole expression will be stored, so it will store 3. So this is very important, right? So आपको जब भी calculate करना हो, like suppose 5 divided by 6, so it will give 0 point something, but the integer part is 0, so it will store 0 in integer, right? So yeah, and talking, this is division. And taking example of modulo operator, right? This is also very important, right? So let's say integer, let's say bigger is equal to let's say 5 modulo 2. So what does it mean? जब हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे, let's say हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं 5 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, right? So 2 times that is 4, then this is remainder, right? So this is remainder, and that will be the answer of this. So if we will print cout, that is bigger, then it will give 1. So modulo operator, what it does, it gives a remainder of both the number, right? So, and the one thing is for sure, that is if you are dividing modulo x modulo y, so the answer of this expression will be, wait a minute, the answer of this expression will be always, this is very important, always less than y. You can check it, right, with the example. Let's say I'm taking an example. Suppose 5 modulo 2, it will give what? 1. 6 modulo 2, it will give 0, right? And yeah, smaller than equal to y and greater than equal to 0. These are two conditions when you are dividing when you are modulo operator x modulo y. So the answer will be, the range of the answer will be this. This is very important. So आप जब भी DSA solve करोगे तो ये concept बहुत use होगा, तो yeah, this is very important. And yeah, so we have covered the arithmetic operator, right? And the similar as a relational operator. Let's say this is AND, and let's say I'm taking another program into main. We will do practical also, just summarize it on the PPT, so you can also try it, right? So yeah, so relational operator, so this is comment. Yeah, so suppose हम लोगों को कुछ compare करना है, right? Suppose we have took int a is equal to 2 and int b is equal to 3. रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर हम लोगों को क्या आउटपुट देता है? दैट इज 0 और 1. 0 और 1. 0 मीन फॉल्स एंड 1 मीन ट्रू. अभी हम लोग इफ एल्स में अभी हम लोग ये चेक नहीं करेंगे, राइट? वो हम लोग बाद में करेंगे, बिकॉज इफ एल्स हम लोग ने पढ़ा नहीं है, राइट? सो हम लोग सी आउट करेंगे डायरेक्ट. सी आउट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? सी आउट, दैट इज a is equal to b. So what will be the output? Let's say this. Yeah, this will give, because a is containing 2 and b is containing 3, so it will give 0, because this is false expression, right? When we are doing double equator, I mean we are comparing a with b, so it will whether it is true or false, so it is false, right? So it will give 0. And this is wait a minute. So this is one of the relational operator, and the second one is, this is equal to, right? Equal to. And the second is cout, a not equal to, this is not equal to b, so what it will give, it will give 1 because it is correct. So it is saying that this expression is saying that a is not equal to b, whether it is true or false. Just ask true or false. a that is 2 and b that is 3, क्या 2 3 के बराबर है? नो, नो नहीं है. सो ये जो बोल रहा है नहीं है, या इट इज करेक्ट. ये बोल रहा है 2 3 के बराबर नहीं है, या इट इज करेक्ट. सो वी विल प्रिंट 1. So the output of this expression will be 1. So this is not equal to. And similarly as cout a greater than equal to b, yeah, it is greater than equal to. So क्या a b से बड़ा है, तो it will give output as these are comment, right? So ये इसको अपने प्रोग्राम में ऐड ना करना, right? These are just comment. So क्या a बड़ा है b से? No, a बड़ा नहीं है because a is 2 and b is 3. So it will give 0. And you can check it out like that. A is smaller than equal to b. This is smaller than equal to b. Yeah, it will give it will give yes, true. That is 1, right? And the one operator is left, that is 2 operator. Wait a minute. Yeah, cout a is greater than b, and cout a is smaller than b. These are the relational operator, these all are, right? These are also important. Yeah, we will cover it in the if else condition, right? If when we'll learn if else, then we will cover it in very deep, right? So I think it is more than enough for now. And yeah, so a logical operator, the third one is logical operator. So what is logical operator? जहाँ पे लॉजिक हो जाए हम लोग को चेक करना है whether like कि ये सही है और ये सही है, या जैसे हम लोग को कंपेयर करना है. लेट्स से हम टेकिंग एग्जांपल int main int, let's say a is equal to 2 and comma b is equal to 3. Yeah, it will contain, like you can write this also there and this syntax also. So it will in the memory at location a, so it will contain 2, and location 3, b, it will contain 3. So I'm checking that, let's say another c is equal to 2 and d is equal to 5. So I'm checking logical operator c. So first logical operator is and mean. Let's see here, cout a is equal to b and c is equal to d. So see, so a is equal to b. Yeah, this is false, 0. So and this is c is equal to d, that is false. So 0 and 0, what it will give? It will give 0. 0 as the output. So this is the AND operator, where you have to check whether both the conditions are true or not. Where you have so many conditions you have to check, then you will use this operator, AND operator, right? And similarly as OR operator, that is this, a is equal to b. Yeah, we will cover this in the if else statement. I think this time I should not take example of that. So a is equal to b, this will give 0, and c is equal to d, this will 0, and the output of this will be 0, right? Because 0 or 0 mean एक भी true होगा. Like see, in the AND operator, if this condition is given 1, mean true, and this condition is giving false, it means the overall output of this expression will be false, because मुझे ये भी कंडीशन चाहिए and ये भी ट्रू चाहिए, दोनों में से एक भी false है तो मेरा आउटपुट false हो जाएगा, right? And similarly as OR operator, this is OR, this is AND. So it will give, let's say this is 1, this is true, and this is, let's say this is false, sorry, this is OR, and this is this expression is giving 1 and this expression is giving 0. So what will be the overall output? This will give 1 because this is giving true and this is giving false. So और मुझे क्या एक भी सही मिल गया, एक भी सही मिल जाएगा तो या this will give 1 as the output. So अभी आपको उतना समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, हम लोग आगे एग्जांपल अच्छे लेंगे, राइट. सो आप नोट्स बना लेना इसके. या so logical and operator, or operator, and not operator, right. This is not. Let's say a is equal to b. Let's say I have took a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2. So a is equal to b. What if I will see out this? So a is equal to b. What it will give? It will give, yeah, you are thinking right, 1, right. And what if I will add this is not operator? So the overall expression, this, if this is giving 0, so the overall expression this will convert it into 1. If this is giving 1, then the overall expression will be converted into 0, right. So this is the not operator. If 0 है तो 1 कर देगा, 1 है तो 0 कर देगा. So see here, 0 not 1. 0 mean, फिर से मैं बता रहा, 0 mean false and 1 is as true. So 0 है तो true कर देगा, and 1 this is will be 0. Yeah, so this is all about the logical operator, and the next one is bitwise operator. This is very important. So yeah, I will be covering this in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will upload bitwise operator tomorrow. Yeah, I will upload this bitwise operator and these operators in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.